Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to begin writing session 13, Making Anthologies, a celebration. Today I want to teach you that review writers publish anthologies of pieces that go together. Reviewers think, who in the world might need to read this review? What is this review helping people do? In order to decide what kind of anthology to create. A lot of us are probably wondering, what is an anthology? An anthology is a published collection of writings by different authors. How can anthologies help us? The purpose of an anthology is to provide the potential reader with easy access to a wide range of literary works on a given theme. So here I have 3 different opinion or review writing. Here's 1, 2, and 3. So my first one here reads, pizza is the best food. You can have different toppings. The crust is crunchy. It is hot and spicy. Pizza makes your mouth water. Order some today. Now I'm going to go to my second piece right here. And this one reads, cake is the best dessert. It has frosting. Cake is sweet. You can have it on your birthday. Cake can be decorated. Do you want some cake? And now here is our third one. And this one says, fish are the best pets. Here are some reasons why. First, they are easy to feed. Also, fish are very quiet. They never bark. Another reason fish are the best pets is because they are very colorful. They come in many different colors like orange, blue, and purple. You should consider getting a fish for a pet. And here I have 3 more, because remember, we've been writing so many different types of opinion and writing and review writings. So this one here says, gum is the most outstanding kind of candy. First, gum is sweet and comes in many flavors. Next, gum is a lot of fun. You can blow giant bubbles with it. Finally, gum is the best candy because it lasts a long time. You can chew it all day. In conclusion, gum is the most outstanding candy around. And now I'm going to come over to my other piece right here. And this one says, cats make great pets. They don't need to take walks. Cats have soft, fluffy fur. If you have mice in your house, don't worry. Cats can catch them. You will love a cat as a pet. And over here is my last one. And this one says, I think Cinderella is a great story. Let me share my reasons with you. First, she has a fairy godmother. I would love one. Second, Cinderella goes to a ball in a beautiful gown. Last, the prince asks Cinderella to marry him. They live happily ever after. That is why I love this story. So I just read 6 of my opinion review writings. And now I want us to stop for 1 second and I want to try to group these writings in 3 different groups based on what they were about. So let me go back and see. So here I have one. This is pizza, my pizza review. Here is my cake review. This one is about fish. Here is my writing about gum. This one is about cats. And this one is about the story Cinderella. So if I wanted to do 3 separate groups, this is how it might look. My first anthology would be food, and I would put the cake review in food, the pizza review in food, and the gum review in food. And if I wanted to put all of these writings together and publish my own anthology, I can title it Delicious Things People Can Eat. It's all about food, and these are all different kinds of things people can eat. That's my first group. For my second group, I would group it as pets. Here's about cats, and here's my fish review. So my anthology would be pets, and I can title it All Kinds of Pets People Can Have. My third one would be stories or books, because this review was about the story Cinderella, and I can title this one Different Stories We Can Read. So here I grouped I grouped 3 groups of all 6 pieces. I have my anthology of food, pets, and stories or books. And then I also gave them each a title. This one is Different Stories We Can Read. This one is All Kinds of Pets People Can Have. And this one is Delicious Things People Can Eat. So an anthology is kind of like you want to group your writing together as themes. So I really wouldn't put my Cinderella story in the food group because you can't eat Cinderella. So for our activity today, you're going to go back and you are going to look back at the last 3 to 5 writing and review pieces you have written. I want you all to reread them, and you're going to think to yourself, who in the world might need to read this review? What is this review helping people do? And once you figure that out, that is when you're going to group all your writings in different groups based on what they are about. And this is going to help you decide what kind of anthology you have created. Once you have done this and you grouped all your writing, you're going to write a title for your review opinion pieces. Don't forget to upload your work onto Class Dojo so we can see all your beautiful work. Have a great day and happy learning.